children. Jacob's wonderful playtime. I'm so excited
to show you this one 3D puzzle. It's a
rocket.
Saturn V Rocket. And this is going to be like, this is the assembling process. Okay, show Jacob.
And there's the rocket part.
And
there's a space rocket right there in old space.
oh,
And there's the other side part. And there's the ground.
where's the ground?
Over there, see?
And this one.
There's that red over there. Each rocket's red.
Will you show to them? Okay. Okay, that's it. And then how about this?
It looks like...
How about this? We don't know. We have to find out.
It looks like a building rocket.
Yeah, so we have to find out. So this is how to assemble the Saturn V rocket. This is the Saturn V rocket right here. There. So let's start.
Let's start the pieces.
Let's start the pieces. So number 18. Here it is.
Here the big part. Here's the number 18. A rocket ship. I build the other side and the other side and the other side. I put the ground over there. I put the space over there. I put the rocket over there and that on this one.
What is that?
It looks like
What is this?
long.
What is this? Oh, it's like their office.
It looks like the office space rocket.
The office of the space rocket. Here's our Saturn V, and it's done. It's only 5.9 ringgit from Daiso. And Jacob had a good time assembling it, and it's so nice. But the pieces are quite soft and not durable. But it's nice. It's really nice.